Hi, welcome back. I'm your Dr. Vasu. Now we are going to see the construction of a hypocycloid, right, like this. So hypocycloid is one which is when a circle is rolling inside another circle, we get a hypocycloid. Hope you are enjoying the previous topics and other topics uploaded in YouTube. If you want to learn this and many more interesting topics, please do subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please do hit the like button, right? Let's see the construction of hypocycloid now. Suppose you have an arc of a circle, and inside this arc, we have another circle. Earlier in the epicycloid, we have seen this circle outside the arc, but here it is inside the arc. Now suppose if you take a point here on the circle, and if this circle is rolling inside this, right? If it is rolling inside, you get the path taken by the point here is hypocycloid. So we are going to trace the path on the circle here, right? Now let us see the construction of it. You take the angle between two lines as 2 pi into small r by capital R. Small r is the rolling circle and capital R is the arc, base arc. Now this arc. So you are going to take a circle which is rolling inside this arc, right? We have taken some point on the circle, on this circle here, and let us see how it moves, how the path traced by that point. Let's divide this circle into 8 equal parts, 8, 12, 16, it's up to you, depending on the space provided, and name them in this direction like this. Say 1, 2, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, like this, because the circle is rolling this side, and each point is coming and contacting the arc here like this. Now, this is the center of the circle. Also, divide this AB into the same number of equal parts, or else you take the length of this A1 dash, right? A1 dash as radius. From A, go on intersecting this arc at a number of points, 8 parts. Mark 8 parts like that also. So like this, you can do that, right? Mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the 8 parts have come. Now, passing through the center C with O as center and this distance as radius, draw an arc of a circle. Because this circle is rolling inside this arc, this circle is always at the same radial distance. So at this distance, we are drawing this arc. Okay. So the point center of the circle here always is on this curve. And mark them here as C1, C2, C3 like this. You get all the 8 points. And also now passing through these points 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, draw arcs with the OS center. With OS center, draw arcs passing through all these points like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let us see how this circle rolls. This, when it is rolling like this, it rolls like this. This point 1 dash comes in contact with 1. That means this is coming closer to the circle, to the arc. At this point now moves away from the circle base curve by the same amount. So 1 dash coincides with 1. The circle comes to this point, right? The C comes to C1 position. The 1 dash comes and coincides with 1. At the same time, this point on the circle moves away, but this point is always, whatever the point on the circle, it is always from the center of the circle, it is always at the radial distance only, r, small r. So C1 as center with the small r as radius, intersect this line arc passing through 1 dash like this. You get a point 1. Similarly, proceed with the other points. The center of moves to C2 position now. C2 as center. The center has come. 2 dash is now comes in contact with the 2 here. Now C2 as center with the same radius, you intersect this second arc, right? Second arc. Similarly, C3 as center, next C3 as center, third arc. Arc passing through third point. Okay. Next, C4. C4 as center, fourth. The fourth arc passing through 4. So this point you get it. So 5. Once it comes away from the circle, base circle, this is the base circle. Once it comes away from the base circle, it starts moving again towards it, right? So this point P now, it starts moving this side and you get, it is nearer to the base curve. So C5 as center, you intersect the fifth arc. So actually if you draw the arc, the fifth coincides with the third. Right? So intersect the fifth arc here. Next, sixth C6 as center, sixth arc. Sixth arc is passing through this one and coincides with the 2. So intersect this point here. You get P6. Next P7. Right? C7 as center. Seventh arc is marked here. Next, C8 as center. Mark this one. That of course exactly coincides with the base circle. So we call it as P8. Like this, we get all the number of points, right? In this case, we got 8 points. You may get 12 also if you divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Join all these points by a smooth freehand curve. You get the curve like this. That is the Hypo Cycloid. Hypo means inside. Inside the circle, we have the curve. So we call this as Hypo Cycloid. So we have completed drawing the Hypo Cycloid, and I want to draw the tangent and normal at some point on the curve, somewhere, anywhere on this. You take a point here, right? And with the small r as radius, circle radius as radius, with M as center, draw an arc onto the central arc, the line curve passing through center. You get a point here. Join this point with the O, right? With the O. This intersects the base arc here at some point, right? This is the curve. So it intersects the arc at base arc at N. Join N with M. You get the normal to the curve and draw a perpendicular passing through M at this point. You get tangent. So likewise, you get the tangent and normal to the curve, and also we have seen the construction of hypocycloid, right? So hope you are enjoying the lectures on this one, and if you have any doubts or queries, please do send through comments, and if you have any suggestions also please send through comments, right? Do subscribe to the channel and get the alerts. Thank you.